So friends, you must have seen dinosaur movies. Have you ever thought that? Why dinosaurs become so big? Because for example the height of Argentinosaur was about 98 feet to 130 feet. So in today's video, we will focus on the major reasons, which is why dinosaurs are big. This video will be divided into two parts. Believe me, second part is very interesting. But if you do not watch first part, then you will not able to understand second part of the video. So the first reason for dinosaurs to be so large is to have more oxygen in the atmosphere. The Cretaceous period. That is, about 65 to 145 million years ago. There was about 30% oxygen in the atmosphere, due to which the size of the dinosaurs was so big. Because oxygen mixes with glucose to make ATP, which gives us more energy to the cell. That's why dinosaurs become so big. Just think about it. What would have happened if the oxygen level in the atmosphere was still high? So the insects became very big. Much bigger, and the life of humans would be shorter. Number 2, more food intake. In today's time humans consume up to 2,500 calories a day. While those who were carnivorous dinosaurs, such as the T-Rex, were consume up to 50,000 calories. While those that were herbivores or vegetarian dinosaurs, such as Sauropod Argentinosaurus, they ate up to 100,000 calories in a day. That's the amount of food humans consume in 40 days. As much as a herbivore dinosaur eat in one day. If any animal consumes such amount of food, the size of any animal will grow huge. Therefore the size of dinosaur was so big. Number 3. Dinosaurs are not mammals. This is the most important reason. That dinosaurs were not mammals. The growth of the children of any mammal happens inside the body of mammal for a few months, and then mammals separate the offspring from their body in the process of gestation, due to which there is a limit in its growth. But in the case of dinosaurs are reptiles, and reptiles lays egg. Therefore there is not any of limitations on the baby dinosaurs. After the hatching of egg, the growth of cute baby dino happens outside in nature. Therefore grow huge in size. Now maybe one question come in your mind. That even today's reptiles lay eggs. Why they don't grow up? Actually there is lot of difference between prehistoric Earth and modern Earth. Oxygen levels are different. And so many factors. Therefore modern reptiles don't grow. Also one important thing. That today's Earth is ruled by humans, not by animals. So I hope now you have come to know how and why dinosaurs are so big. Now let's start the second part of the video, which is the most interesting. Because now we are going to know about the most dangerous dinosaurs. Although it is subjective. But if we look objectively, then focus on facts and biology, then it will be one of the most dangerous. Number 5. Sauropod Argentinosaurus. The Sauropod Argentinosaurus was the largest dinosaur ever seen. But it was not as dangerous as for other dinosaurs. But if Argentinosaurus came for us, then they could kill us in one shot. These dinosaurs were herbivores. Now maybe one question must have come in your mind. That if they were vegetarian, then how would they have grown so big? Then the answer is very simple. That those who are herbivorous animals, they do not need to look for their food much, because there are so many things around them that they can eat. While those that are carnivorous have to hunt for their food, struggle a lot. So they use up a lot of energy from what they eat in search of food. But herbivorous animals on the other hand are very large and lazy and do not need to search much for their food. They already get a lot of food from nature, like plants, stress and other stuff. So these dinosaurs were very big and very lazy. Number 4. Allosaurus. Just as lions hunted in groups in the wild in the late Cretaceous period, 163 to 89 million years ago, Allosaurus hunted in groups. These dinosaurs could live in groups and can beat the large dinosaurs. Well, groups work is great. These dinosaurs were not very big in size, because these dinosaurs also used their energy to find food. The speed of dinosaurs was amazing. About 30 to 55 kilometers per hour. Which is crazy for a dinosaur. Just put it in a perspective. A big massive animal is running with this speed. This speed is more than the speed of a human. While their weight was up to 2 tons and the length was about 35 feet. Number 3. Gigantosaurus. Gigantosaurus existed about 99 to 93 million years ago. Gigantosaurus is one of the most dangerous dinosaur. They lived in Argentina with Argentinosaurus. and alongside nearby areas. Gigantosaurus can easily defeat smaller animals and was top of the food chain. Gigantosaurus was 12 to 13 meter, or say 38 to 40 feet long, and weighed up to 4,200 to 14,000 kilograms. And, like Allosaurus, had a much higher running speed, about 50 kilometers per hour. Number 2. Tyrannosaurus. The Tyrannosaurus, also known as the T-Rex, is the most famous dinosaur, featured in the movie Jurassic World. And we all know T-Rex. These dinosaurs were in existence 65 million years ago. There wasn't much difference between Tyrannosaurus and Gigantosaurus. Both dinosaurs had similar body structure. Only two things are different. T-Rex had 2 fingers on the forelimbs, while Gigantosaurus had 3 fingers. And the T-Rex's tail was little bigger than Gigantosaurus, while the weight and height were almost the same. Number 1. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is the largest carnivore, or say biggest predator ever lived. But it is smaller than the herbivorous dinosaur. Spinosaurus is bigger than Tyrannosaurus and Gigantosaurus. But the weight of Spinosaurus was only 7 tons. Spinosaurus existed about 112 to 93 million years ago. And the most surprising fact about this dinosaur is that they also ate fish. Skull of Spinosaurus was not like any dinosaur, but it is very similar to bird. Therefore they able to catch fish in water also. Spinosaurus can also swim in water, because they were no heavyweight. Spinosaurus deserves the number 1 position. Maybe. This was our top 3 picks. Your list may differ. If you have any question, you can ask us in the Instagram. And if you want to see a very interesting video on Flat Earth, then click on this video. Subscribe to the channel and bye.